Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find developer options. Don't worry if you do not have developer options active normally, they are usually hidden. So to activate them we have to enter About Tablet, which is at the very bottom of the list, then enter software information and localized build number. All you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then the developer options will appear right under the About Tablet, so let's enter. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. In my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device, however remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.